Vera,
Yes.
I have some lucrative proposals I want to submit to your man.
Okay.
But I'm afraid he might not give it a look in. You know he does not work with people in my stratum of business.
Okay. Here's what we'll do. Or should I say, if the deal is okay, if it's good, then perhaps I can convince him to give it a shot. What do you say?
Oh my God. You will do that for me?
Well, I'm not guaranteeing anything, okay? So don't be too excited.
Vera, if you do this for me, I'll be so grateful. Yes.
It's okay. Let me have the proposal. Is it here?
Yes, it's here. It's
Okay, let's see.
Take a look at it.
Of course, I have to peruse it first.
Sure.
I see. Nice. Honey, come on.
You know I don't like doing business with people I don't know.
Baby, she's my friend and I trust her. Believe me, she's a great hustler and you enjoy doing business with her. Come on, please.
How do you expect me to entrust such huge amount of money to someone I've never worked with before?
Fine. You know what? Why not give her a little amount of money, see how it turns out, then you can decide if you want to keep investing or you want to end the deal. What do you think, please?
See, let me tell you, to be honest with you, I don't want to do this business.
Please.
But I'm doing it because of you.
Sorry. Yes, thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
See, tell her to come to my office tomorrow by 10.
Oh my God! Thank you, baby. Thank you. Tell me, what do you want?
Let us start. Wait.
What? I know, right? Okay.
Nana, enough of this morning. Enough. Come on, you have tried. You have to move on. You're not going to remain like this forever. What are you saying?
Some loss hits so hard that makes you feel you've lost it all. He may struggle to move on but still find himself on the floor. What a fall.
What if all you say? Say no more, my brother. But you have to move on. You can't remain like this forever. You need a woman. You need someone to talk to.
No. I need to be left alone.
No, you don't have to be left alone. You need somebody to talk to. See, let me tell you. I already called a girl for you. And she's on her way coming. Please, make her your companion. Give her time to cheer you up. Let her talk to you. Please, you can't remain like this forever. serious. Come here.
I like baby stuff.
Come on.
It's not as if I'm high. I'm not high.
Come on.
Baby. Oh. I can't wait. I can't wait. Let's go. Baby.
No, come on. Come on. Let's go. Easy.
Baby, I'm so high.
No. Wait. What is wrong? I thought this man is still wanting his wife. Wait. How did he get over her just like that? Come on. This is not fair.
Ogenipa. Where is this baby's voice coming from? By this time of the day. Or bush baby again. I can't go outside. This could be a trap. Whatever it is, till tomorrow, I will not open this door. And whatever it is, back to sender, back to sender, back to sender, back to sender. Oblebum buongwe, oblebum buongwe, oblebum buongwe. I'll be at the store.
Onny,
Hey.
you're back.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're still on this?
Yes, baby. I'm still on it. want to get this running before we plan for our traditional wedding. It's over 40% done, and a lot of people are hopping on it.
Wow.
Yes, babe.
This is serious. Well, you see, I can take over from there. I can handle it.
Thank you. I'm already reviewing their files.
That's what I'm saying. So leave the files for me. I will fix it. I can run it from there.
Do you know what you're saying? Babe, it's over $500 million. Ha, that's huge amount of money.
I know. See, let me tell you. Before the week runs out, I will get that fixed. I'm telling you. I'll fix it out. See, you see right now, I want you to keep this. Right now, let us go upstairs. Have fun.
Okay, babe. I'm all yours tonight. Please take, let me put my slippers. Oh my God.
Let's go. I'm gonna test it.
Baby, I'm all yours tonight.
Why this torment? Eh? Why can't I sleep in my own house? Hi. What do I do now? I think I know what to do. I know what to do.
Gamma is real. Gamma is real. Gamma is real. He gon' knock you one day. Be careful. Gamma is real. Be careful. He gon' knock you one day. You're not the strongest. Gamma is real. Retrieve your steps. He gon' knock you one day. Be careful of what you do. Be careful of your actions. Any good deed you try away today we not come back again. We not come back again. Be careful. Be careful. Value what you have. Value what you see. Value who you're with. Tomorrow is far, far.
Hey. Don't you know how to breathe? And why are you sleeping dirt on my leg? Go and make me breakfast. Are you deaf? Go and make me breakfast.
What did you say? You've got to be kidding me. Eh? Ha! You did not tell me. Oh. So, you people have upgraded, eh? What? You have upgraded. Wow. I should go and make you breakfast. Were you not paid?
And who the hell are you? What audacity do you have to speak to me in that manner?
I should be asking you the audacity that you have to bring your lousy self here and ask me to go and make breakfast for you. Were you not paid? Me? Good morning, sir.
Why did you insult her? She just told me that you rained insult on her. Do you know her before?
No, sir. But I did not insult her, sir.
So what happened?
She came down here and she saw that I was sweeping. Then she asked me to go and make her breakfast.
What? Who eats breakfast by this time? I mean, she's not my cook. She's just my babysitter.
Ordinary babysitter. Ordinary babysitter. You must fire her right now with immediate effect.
Excuse me, I don't understand. If I fire her, then are you going to be babysitting my child? Are you going to do that for me?
So you're supporting her to insult me. Alright? No problem.
Babe, listen to me. You just have to listen to me. If she
Okay. Who sat and watched my infant head when sleeping on my cradle bed? Some people don't know their work or shower, no their shop breakfast.
Now your mama be a shower. Robbie, see get when you even get left.
You get mama? Shameless Asha. If I catch your leg for this compound again, I'll go break her. Now hunger and I make you one shop before you go. They not pay you. The one where them pay you no do you. You want shop so that when you reach house, you no go drink Gary. Go drink am. Now waiting your mates they drink. I shower kobo. You see am? You see am?
Where have you been?
Babe, I went out to get food. I called my favorite kitchen, but they don't have what I want, so I had to go out and get it myself.
For real?
Yes, baby.
Why not you cook? My kitchen is well furnished with all the cooking utensils. What is your problem?
Babe, you know I really don't have time for that. Besides, I don't like cooking.
For real?
Yes, baby.
And you are saying that to me?
Honey, my love, sweetheart, we can get to cook. Yes, I think it will be easier for us. Okay? I brought your favorite. Why not just go in there and let me show you what I have?
Okay, welcome.
How are you?
Okay, I'm fine.
How's my baby doing?
Very well, sir. Very fine.
Good. Please sit. What is it?
Oga, are you perceiving any smell?
I can't perceive anything.
You mean you can't perceive any smell at all? How come I'm the only one? Am I? No, it's not me. Always, baby, you smell good. Madam, do you sell fish?
I don't get it. What kind of question is that?
Madam, no verse. It shows that this is the first time I'm perceiving this type of food in this house. The moment you walked in with my Oga, everywhere changed and started smelling like rotten fish.
Alright, are you mad? What is wrong with you? Are you stupid?
Are you silly? How dare you talk to me like that?
I did not mean it that way. It's just that How come you people are not perceiving this smell? It's bad though. Wait. How come you people are not perceiving this smell? Am I the only one? Sir, sorry, it's not good for the baby. That's why I'm complaining.
Please.
The baby will fall. No, I can't take this. Rubbish.
Selfish. Hold on. Babe.
It's actually smelling like fish. Baby. Oh, you see? I said it. Oga, come and see it. Oga, you see?
No. Babe, you don't need to walk out because of this.
I have never been humiliated like that ever since I was born. And I will not take it for any reason. If I stay one more minute in this house, I will tear that girl into pieces. So this is how I have to live.
Let me drop you back. Let me drive you back. Please. Let me drive you back.
Any seed you sow, you will reap one day. Any seed you sow, you must reap one day. Gamma is real. Gamma is real. Gamma is real. He will knock you one day. Be careful. Gamma is real. Be careful. He will knock you one day. You're not the strongest.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Well, I'm good. I've been asking about you.
Well, I've been around. I've just been trying to pick up the pieces of my life ever since I left Max.
Okay, Vera, we need to talk, please. Please hop in.
Of your actions, any good deed you throw away today, we not come back again.
So what happened?
I don't know. I have no idea. You know, I met him when I first dropped out of school. He stepped in and saw me through school. He loved me so much until everything just changed. At some point, everything just spiraled around and I don't know. I really cannot tell. He loved me more than anyone could ever have loved me in this world. I don't know what changed.
I noticed he loved to be obeyed. Or did you start disobeying him?
No, I wouldn't even dream of that. He only needs to ask me to jump and I'll ask him how high. I knew how much he loved to be respected. I did all of that. I obeyed him. At this point, I don't know.
Good morning, beautiful. How was your night? Hello. Hello. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Wakey.
Honey, good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
Oh, that's okay.
Breakfast in bed.
The aroma of the tea. Oh, smells really nice.
You like it?
I shouldn't have gone through all the stress.
Anything for my woman.
Well, this is too much.
Nothing is too much for you, baby. I love you.
I love you more.
It's okay.
Okay.
Are you ready for this?
Is it very hot? It's super hot.
It's okay. Take your time and enjoy your meal while watching it.
I don't deserve all of this. This is much.
You deserve it.
Thank you for loving me so much.
Thank you for accepting me. My lady. See what I'm saying? You see why I can't stop saying good things about you. Oh my God.
Baby.
Babe, you know you are the best cook in the whole world.
You like to flatter me.
This is delicious.
Anyway, baby, I'm just thinking. Since I've now graduated from the university, why don't I just start working?
Huh?
You know. Yes, what do you think?
What did you just say?
You know,
You work?
Yes.
Maxi. Me, Maxi? My woman work for another person. No. Babe, I can't stand exposing you to scavengers, vampires, looking for a pretty lady like you in the name of you working for them or seeking for a job. I can't allow them to devour you. No.
Baby.
See, let me tell you. Wait, listen to me. If you are tired of this vicinity, you are tired of the environment, you want me to take you to any city of your choice, just let me know. Tell me, any city of your choice, any country of your choice. You go on vacation, you have fun. I will make sure you're fine. You can't work for anybody.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Baby, you know what?
I love you.
Let me feed you.
Oh my God.
You deserve all the loving in the world. Are you good? My darling.
My lady.
You're leaving already.
Yeah. I miss you.
I'll miss you.
I'm missing you already.
My love, please take care of yourself when you travel. Okay?
Oh yeah. Like I said before, I'm leaving for a business meeting. In a few days I'll be back.
You told me already, but as it stands, I don't feel like you should go because I miss you already.
But you know what?
What?
I sent $1 million to your account.
What?
Yes, for your upkeep.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God.
You know what? I want you to be fine.
I am fine.
Go on shopping. Make yourself happy.
Shopping without you is boring.
I know. I'll be back very soon.
I can't wait for you to get back. Thank
I'm
you.
missing you already.
I miss you more and I love you more.
Come to daddy.
Vera, you mean that man did all that for you?
Honestly, God just specially designed, packaged, garnished him and sent him to me from heaven. I don't know what I did to deserve him. I promise you, I don't know.
Oh my God. Like, for real, you don't deserve this man.
No jokes. It's actually a miracle. I mean, come on. I don't even know how to describe all of this. Imagine when before he left on his trip today, he gave me 10 million naira. Yes. Just to take care of myself. For shopping and whatnot. Like, gosh.
Oh my God.
Exactly my reaction.
10 million what?
10 million naira. That's the same reaction I got. You know, when he said 10 million naira, I just could not believe it. Like, I looked at him like he was mad. Then later, it dawned on me that,
oh my God,
Vera, this man just gave you 10 million naira. I mean, just for shopping. Oh my God. Do you know, I almost undressed him, standing right there, like, you know, giving one for the road.
You're so crazy.
No, but he deserves it. I mean, I miss him already. I wish he was here. Oh my God, I wish there was some TLC at the moment.
Oh my God, baby girl. Like, you just made my head blow off. Like, 10 million what?
10 million naira, but I need your head back on your shoulders so that I can give you more news.
Oh my God.
I never knew I was trying to wrap my fish. Before I know what was happening, the whole fish disappeared.
I don't really know why Maxwell should allow himself to be taken so easily. Maybe he's under an influence.
I wouldn't know. I cried. I cried a whole lot. So much. Because I was in so much pain. But what would I do? Would I end it all just because my relationship ended? No. My life cannot end because I've ended a relationship or because a relationship was ended. So I just moved on. And that's it.
I will call him and know why he fell so easily. I'll call him.
No, I don't think you should talk to him because of me. That's not necessary. Like I told you, I've moved on. Even if he leaves that girl today, I still will not go back to him.
You are my love forever. Oh, behold, you are my love forever. I will love you forever. Oh, behold, I will love you forever.
Good day, sir.
Good day. Hey, how are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hope you're good.
Well, I'm fine.
That's nice.
Yeah, we are still in it.
Nice to hear. Sign this. Okay. Can't do that again. Baby.
Come.
Sign this. Okay. Yeah, do it.
Let's sign this.
Yes, baby. Thank you, darling.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Trust me, you are not going to regret this.
Maxwell, listen to yourself. No, just listen to yourself. Are you trying to tell me that the girl you trained in school, you trained this girl single-handedly with your energy, finances, and all that? Are you telling me you've pushed this girl away because of a girl you met just yesterday?
Nana, you don't know what that girl made me discover.
What the hell did she make you discover? What? Diamond or silver? What?
That girl gave me profitable business deals. Now, to couple it, that girl showed me sexual styles I have never seen before.
Right there in the office?
Now, you don't go understand. It's a memorable experience. It's an unforgettable experience. And what get that get and bullshit.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'll sit.
Thank you.
Sorry. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. So, what is it?
Nothing.
Nothing. You can have it if you want.
Yes, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Good day. You're welcome. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Maureen.
Sir.
You know, your last deal was very lucrative. I hope this one will be as lucrative as that one.
Yes, sir. Sir, when I told you that I don't make mistakes, you thought I was joking. Sir, sign this. Let's push it one more time.
Okay. I believe you. Maureen.
Sir.
I'm looking forward to hearing the great news tomorrow. Success.
Thank you, sir. Let's take it one step at a time. You will hear from me, sir.
Okay.
Nice doing business with you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Maureen. Maureen. What a go-getter. Okay.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please sit down.
Thank you. Sir, the deal was successful.
Serious?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
I know you do not believe it.
Yes. You know, seeing is believing. Now I am ready to do more deals with you.
Okay. That's if you're willing to work with me.
Of course. I have seen how efficient you are. I am willing to work with you. Bring more deals. And for the other style you gave me, you can give me that again. I like it.
Wow. Impressive. Let's hang out.
Choose any location of your choice. Just make your choice.
You hear from me.
I can't wait to hear from you. Nana. Maureen is hot. Maureen is a good girl and she's business oriented.
I don't believe that this is coming from you. I don't really believe that. But I think Vera is well kept with more morals.
You know what? You can go for Vera. Yes. Because as for me, Maureen, I will never leave Maureen for anyone. Trust me.
See why I'm smiling? As if I go to Vera now, you won't be angry.
Why not? Why should I?
If I go to carry Vera now, won't you be angry?
Why should I be angry? Am I the devil? I mean, I don't want her. Where's my reason of stopping you from having her? Man, if she's good enough for you, go for her. As for me, Maureen's a sweetheart. That's my woman.
So if I go for Vera now, you won't be angry?
Not at all. What for?
It's okay, it's okay. Maxwell, I've been meaning to ask you this. Why are you always here whenever you come back? I believe that this is your father's house. And I know you have houses around and you prefer to stay here. Why?
No. Whenever I'm here, I feel at home. And it brings back my parents' memory.
No. That's not good for you. They are dead. That's not good for you.
I have many houses. I can choose anyone. It's no problem. Anyway, they're all my houses.
Anyway, it's not bad. It's not bad. Anyway.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, hello. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Oh my God, hi.
Welcome, ma.
How are you doing? Hi. He's so cute.
Hello, baby. I've told you whenever I have visitor, you stay away.
Sorry, sir.
No, please let them stay. At least so I can carry the baby. Please, sorry, I don't mean to fuck nuts, but please carry my baby.
Hey. What's that?
It's no trouble at all. Come on. It's fine. Thank you. Oh, my God. Oh, it's super adorable.
On the day I got home, she gave birth. and died a few minutes before I got there.
That means she wasn't properly taken care of during antenatal.
That evil woman stressed the hell out of my Kosi. She stressed her to death.
Come to think of it, why didn't you just take her away from the woman?
I was aware. I didn't know she was pregnant. I just wish she can... I just wish I can set my eyes on her again. I just wish she can tell me I love you once again. Just wish she can appear and say that to me.
It's okay.
What just happened? I don't understand. I thought Didibia said she will not do anything. Hey, I was not the one that killed you. I was only trying to discipline her. I can't watch out. It was not me. Hey.
You will pay for your wickedness. You will cry, and no one will have mercy on you.
Please. I'm sorry, please. Biko. Please, sorry.
Babe.
Baby.
Oh my God, I can't believe that you are going on a meeting with the president of Cambodia. I'm super proud of you, I swear.
Thank you. But baby, you're already big in your business. Don't envy this poor girl standing here before you.
Baby, you're not a small girl. With the speed that you are running in less than 2 years, you can be bigger than me. Anyway, that's the kind of woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. I'm super proud of you.
Babe, don't forget you're the reason I'm here today. You've been my support. Everything I do, you support me, my green arts, my coming in. Like, I can't thank you enough. Okay? Thank you so much. Babe, I'm going to miss you. I'm running late already.
Okay.
I have to go. I don't want to miss my flight.
Let's go.
I hope all my bags are packed in the car already.
Everything is intact. Let me drop you at the airport.
Let
me drop you at the airport.
I'm going to miss you.
I'm missing you already.
You are my love forever. I will love you forever. I will love you forever. You are my love forever. You are my love forever. I will love you forever. I will love you forever. When the rain is falling on me, you are mine. Even if everybody rejects you, you are my love.
Hi. You're welcome, Ma. Thank you so much. How are you?
You're fine, Mom.
How's the baby?
He's fine. He was almost crying, so.
Oh. Sorry, baby. Sorry.
So sorry, my love.
Sorry.
Ma, we've actually been waiting for you.
I'm sorry. No excuses. But come on, let's go. Guess what? I'm taking you both to the most beautiful place ever.
Really?
You're gonna like it. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Ma.
Yes. Is anything the matter? Are you okay?
Please, carry my baby.
Of course. Come here, baby. Oh, so adorable. Oh my word. It's truly cute. Come on, let's go. Well, I'm afraid you have to get the door. Oh, come baby. Come baby. We are going to a place you're gonna love. So.
Something has been bothering me.
What is it?
You know, the way always we used to take care of my home and also my child. You know, I can't just explain. That girl is something else.
You are falling for her already.
Not that I'm falling for her, but I know she's having some feelings for me.
I noticed that long time ago. You know, each time I send girls to you, she always have a way of sending them back. I noticed she's already marking her territory.
You know, I'm just confused. I actually want to go for Vera. But I don't know how you're gonna feel me going to settle down for your ex.
I've always told you that. You can always have Vera if you want.
Yeah, but I don't just want trouble, you know. Rather, let me go for Olwebube. Yeah.
Anyway, have you made your intention known to her?
I'm going to do that right away if she accepts. I mean, I hope she will accept.
Olwebube don't have any reason not to accept. She's even praying and hoping that you just voice it out. So make your intention known to her. When you get to ladies, make your choice. Make your intention known to them.
Where is my baby?
He's with Vera.
My baby is with Vera. How come? Why did you leave my baby with Vera? Someone you don't know. What if something happens to my baby?
Nothing will happen to him. I have something to tell you.
What the hell do you want to tell me? That you left my baby with someone you don't even know?
I have found someone that will take care of you and our baby when I am gone.
Aradugonia. What are you talking about? Are you okay?
I am not who you think I am. Sit. I have a story to tell you.
Now when I call my baby Kichi, don't tell me rubbish about my baby.
Sit.
Okay.
Like I said before, I am not who you think I am. My real name is Ubenugo.
And why are you flooding this peaceful neighborhood with your tears?
You can see me.
That is not the answer to my question. When your time is up, you cross over to the other side.
My time was never up. But I found myself here.
Then go back to where you're coming from.
I left a baby behind. I know he will not survive here without me.
Then crying and disturbing the peaceful neighborhood can't help you. It is only a man with grace to longevity that can experience the two postures in humanity. Everyone must die someday, anyway.
I do not wish him to die before his time, just like me. Please, please help me. Help me.
I can't help you. And please, leave this environment before I chase you out myself.
Help me. Please, help me if you can. Please. I want you to do this for me, so that my soul can finally rest. Please.
Okay. What do you want me to do now?
You may look old, but young. I know you are beautiful and attractive. And you have a soft heart. You can even be more caring than a nurse. Ugbenugo. Please, I want you to carry me while I take care of my baby. And look for who to continue with the baby as I leave. Then you can return here and continue serving the gods.
What is going on here? What are you telling me? Have I been talking to a ghost? Are you trying to tell me that you're a ghost? So I've been living with a ghost.
I have succeeded in taking care of our child. I have also succeeded in getting someone who will take care of both of you. Listen.
What are you talking about? What are you saying?
I overheard you saying that you would love Kosi to tell you that she loves you one more time.
Hey. Yes. Yes, I said it. Ikumia. Ikumia.
Don't worry. I will be leaving very soon. But before I go, Kosi would come and see you for the very last time.
Come on.
Do not panic, my love. It is me. Thank you, Uwenogo.
Jesus.
My love.
What is going on? Go. What?
My love.
Go.
I did this for you. I want you to marry that woman that is with our son. She's a good woman. I also want you to know that I've forgiven you. My time here is up. But before I leave, I want you to continue your life here, my love. I love you.
Go, I love you too. I love you. Go. Hey! I love you too, go. Go, man, all woman, you fair. I love you. Hey!
What's after you? Why are you panting? What's going on? Is everything okay? Anyway, I came to tell you that Oluebube disappeared at the supermarket. The thing is, I don't know what happened. Everybody at the supermarket helped me to look for her. We searched and searched, but we couldn't find her. So I thought to just come back here to let you know. Are you listening to me? What's the matter? What's happening? What's after you? Did you even hear what I said? Are you okay?
I said it's a lie. Hold on, let me call you back. No, I hope this is not true. Oh my gosh. Nobody's not going to. No, that's not possible. That's not possible. It's a lie. It's not happening to me. No. This girl must be stupid. How dare you use my head? No. It's not possible.
seen a young girl in my dream asking me to help carry her child. It's all beginning to make sense now.
That was my wife. Please accept her plea.
Well, she actually asked for 2 things. I've accepted one already. I'll take care of the baby. Because he's sweet. He's super adorable.
And the second one is, please accept this. Don't say no, please. Please marry me and be my wife.
Well, I wouldn't say no. So yes. Oh my word. Oh, it's beautiful.
You like it?
I love it.
What is going on here? My friend, what is going on here? Hello? What is it?
I never knew she was this calm. I never knew she made away with my money, over $500 million.
Who are you talking about?
Maureen. I never knew that girl was this calm. She made away with my money. I'm finished. Let me have that drink.
Maxwell, I told you. I warned you about this, but you wouldn't listen.
Oh.
Huh?
I never knew.
Okay, why don't we just report to the police and let them start tracking her immediately?
Nana, I know they're going to track her very soon. But right now, I feel so bitter about myself. I feel like shooting myself in the head.
Shooting yourself in
Why
the
would
head?
I allow this little girl to use my brains?
But I warned you. I warned you wouldn't just listen to me.
Nana, I'm finished.
Of course, you're finished. You cannot
Please let me have it. Oh my God.
What is wrong with you?
Nana, allow me to lick my wound. Allow me to kill myself.
You won't get that. You won't wound.
Nana, you don't understand.
What is wrong with you? I want you.
Let me have that drink.
Nah, I'm walking down the line.
Let me have that drink, Nana. Nana, give it to me. I will give you back. Oh my God. Oh my God. If I catch that girl, I will kill her. I will kill her with my bare hands.
That's the chorus of the song. If I catch that girl, I'll kill her. My bare hands. But continue your sound.
Nana, you go down that drink. Give me that drink, I will give you back.
Stop it, my friend. What is wrong with you?
Nana, I'm finished. Over $500 million. Oh. Oh. Maureen, if I get rid of you, I will kill you. I swear to God, I will kill you.
Mama. Don't tell me that what I heard is true. You can't see me. Mama.
I just please forgive me. Forgive me.
I'm not the one you need to ask for forgiveness. You should tell that to Kosi. Not me. You have to ask Kosi for forgiveness. I'm not the one that should forgive you.
Kosi, forgive me. Kosi, forgive me.
But I pleaded with you. I begged you to stop maltreating her. But you won't listen. Now look at where you've landed yourself. I can't do this with you.
Kosi, forgive me. Forgive me. Kosi.
You are even urinating and defecating on yourself now. Hey!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Mama, I can't help you. You have to call other of my siblings. Maybe one of them would want to help you. I can't do this with you. Mama, don't worry, you'll be fine. Just just tell any one of them. They might decide to come and help.
Let her cry, touch your heart. Let her cry, touch your heart. Hey, yeah.